What's up, YouTube? So today we're just doing a video on a backup camera. So this is a 03 bug eye. I couldn't find no videos on where to do the backup camera install, like how to do it and where to put it at. So I basically had to do it myself. I gotta go to the other side. My fucking key thing is messed up. But yeah, I couldn't find a video on where to do it at, like where to put it at, and it was strange to me. I'm like why? Well, I guess because it's, you know, such an older car. I don't know, or maybe I wasn't looking in the right place, but I couldn't find a video. But show you how my back camera works. Camera, but yep, there we go. Yeah, it works. So basically, I mean, I'm not gonna disassemble everything, but you know, once you hook it up back there to the pink wire on your doubled in, and then with me, I just ran it like from the other wire, the yellow RCA cable. I ran it under there, under here. I took the panel off. Ran it. You know, the panel off, ran it, and then you know, ran it over here. Then I took the seat off, and then I ran it in the trunk. Pop the trunk. Ran it in the trunk. Oh. Ran it in the trunk. And then you can kind of see it because I don't have a rug. But if I have a rug, there's no way, you know, you would see it. But you see the wire coming out of there. So I ran it. And you see it's under here. And it's under here. And you know, you gotta hook it up to the reverse light. You know, you splice the wires, the red go with the, well, on this car I think the brown is the positive and the black is the negative. So black is always ground. So yep, ran it. Now the problem was, that part was easy, but the problem was trying to figure out how to get it through, you know, the bumper part without taking off. I mean, trying to get it through there to connect without taking off the bumper. And there's not really a lot of spaces on this car, man. Like, which is, the shit's crazy. Like, not a lot of space at all. So what I did was, let me take this off. God damn it. What I did was, I was looking at, you guys can see it. When you're looking down, there's like a little, it's the, here we go. That right there, that is like almost one of the only entry points from the outside to the inside. And that's for the, and that is for the license plate light cover. That goes right there. So I was like, man, that's like the only thing. So I got on the ground and I like looked up. Like, you can barely see it. Like, you see the, I don't know if you guys see that. Let me see. Like, I don't think you guys can see it, but there's a light right there. I mean, not a light, there's a wire right there going through. That wire that I showed you from the inside. So you pull it from the inside, then you can see the light. So what I had to do was, I had to fish the wires through there, through under there, and then it came out right there. That wire, right? You can see it right there. The wires that I was showing you earlier, right there. And then you gotta like force it through. Like, it's not easy, but you know, it's not that difficult either. Like, I had to get help though. Like, you see, like, look at my wires, like they're kind of like dirty and shit, but hey, I got them through and it works. If you guys got any questions, you know, just leave a comment below and I'll get back to you guys. But yep, that's what I did. And now I have backup camera. Like, instead of having to take off the whole bumper, which, you know, that would have been a pain in the ass. So hey, I'm glad I did it the way I did it. But alright guys, peace.